Morning guys, magbe-breakfast pa lang ako. Already had my tea, amoxicillin, mag-vitamin C pa lang ako. Mag-church ako after ko kumain. I feel okay, maraming phlegm. Try out day to day. Hopefully everything goes well. Hintay ko sila Basti. Yan sila Basti guys.
Malulog talaga. So, hindi po sa utang-utang po doon sa swimming pool.
I'm going to get ready, get my bags ready. I feel bad, not gonna lie, but got home from church. I'm gonna do my best. If it's God's plan, it's God's plan. I'm gonna do it in Jesus' name. So guys, 6:43 na. Boom. Lakas ng ulan. Let's go!
Pare, kung ikaw si David Gatos, alam mo yan pare.
May current!
Pakita mo.
May current guys! Closing na yung mall pero hindi bukas pa. It's done. Only 1 kilometer at 6-7 Sira. The heck? May short down. Nasira na isa. Bro. Bawal yata sa 20. Bro, my guy bro, thank you for the coaching. See you. Doon pa, doon ako sa dinanan natin. Pag hindi, chat kita. Thank you kay Chevy for the coaching. W-Mans. Guys, muulan pa rin guys, pero dito na ako dadaan. Why not? Testingin natin.